Running modify Facebook account for marketing. Worry about checkpoints or getting blocked. In this video, I will show you how to assign a separate proxy to an account. Quick, safe, and effective. Hello everyone, I'm Huang, a strategic advisor from MKT Software. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to assign the unique proxy to a Facebook account in MKT Care software to help you stay safe and grow fast. So, what's a proxy and why it is important? First, a proxy hides your real IP, giving a Facebook account a different location. This prevents Facebook from flagging you for using multiple accounts, reduce the risk of checkpoints, blocks, or account ban. Boost just scroll when you are running massive friend requests, posting, seeding, or zoning group. It is essential for marketer managing more than 10 Facebook accounts. Here is how it works. This I have here like 6 proxies in or stock file. The one you can check as how what proxy you want to add. Here I will show you English. Here I have a 6 proxy. Now you can assign proxy for unit account like this. Tick on proxy and go to assign proxy and take what proxy you want to what account you want to assign for it. Here I will take like this and go to assign proxy and close. Same with number 2 like this. Assign proxy. Okay. With number 3 assign proxy like this. Yes, all easy, right? Like this and like this. It's all done. Okay. Here is a tip. You can use quality proxy provider like TM Proxy, TeamSoft, AZ Proxy for best results. Before you go, here are a few tips. There's only use one proxy for one account only. Avoid free proxy and because they are unable and often banned. Or you can choose routing or static residential proxy for long-term use. Or you can monitor proxy health regularly to avoid downtime or bans. Okay, if you are running multiple accounts without proxy, now it's time to act. It's simple and it saves you from major risk. If you need help, please drop a question in the comment or contact me directly via Facebook or WhatsApp. And click the link below in the description for demo or contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp and see how powerful it is. And my video ends right here. Thank you for everyone for attending today broadcast. If you find it interesting, please give me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.